Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fisner. How you doing, guys? So, it's a quick video just to show you which inverter I will be building. I don't know why I've decided in the previous video that I won't be telling you which one, because it's an open source and so on, and pure sine. So I'll be first building the one which Electronoobs have done. Okay, I'll share the screen with you. It's this mic here, so it's a bit quieter. Let's switch to my regular microphone, will be a bit louder. This one, okay. So this way I don't tap anything on the desk at this video, so it's good enough. Okay, so this is the website which has all the information. Now I'll be explaining, okay. That's Electronoobs, English Circuitos, yes. So here's on the left side. If you'll go to his homepage, okay, so it's here, yes, full sine inverter. Okay, and that's the one which I will be building. That's the same module on the EG002, and I'll be explaining all of the components, why, so on. Let's say partially I've ordered the parts, partially, not all of the parts yet, but partially I've ordered because I want to see what I have in stock, and if I have it, why I should buy it. You know, it's no point. Then I can check the prices and only give you the list of all the components, how you can buy them. And then I was thinking about creating as well a pack and make it available so that somebody who is knowledgeable enough to build it on their own could buy a pack and then use those components to build their own, yes. And then I would build those as well, yes, and I would sell as well those which are made. So in that case, if somebody don't want to, let's say, build it on their own, but would like to use open source pure sine inverter, they can as well have it, yes. So those are the ideas I have. I know that not many people will be into the pure sine inverter on their own to build it. That's why I want to give those additional choices, yes. I won't be able to build a lot of them, but I can build a few, and then if somebody will contact me, of course I can let's say show them where they can buy components or buy components in a bulk, so that they won't have to buy like in 10 orders from AliExpress from different stores. Well, actually it's more than that, because if we will go on the list here, you see that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, about 26 different links, plus, yes, plus you need to know how to use Gerber files, which I will print out the PCBs right now, because I that's not that JLC PCB or something, JLC PCB order form here, and I've ordered them. Where is my sign in? Ship instant quote sign in is here. Okay, so I'll show you. I did it. And my orders, order now, my file, shops, code, my messages, part, order history, and that's the one. Okay, so I've ordered it, and of course it's dear because here is only showing the you know, the 5 pieces. So that's the details. These are the details. That's 210 on 90. I paid with a promotion because I had a promotion, so I would pay £25 for 5 of them, yes. And plus I've ordered 10 of those. That doesn't matter, yes, just, you know, like so that you know. I'll check the price, exact price which I've paid. I'll check how much are those, and I will be, you know, making these available one piece per order rather than having ordered 10 of them, yes, or 5 of them, because what's the point of ordering so many if you will gonna use only one, yes. So it's no point. So that's what I'm planning to do. And then all those I'll get you this link, this particular link I'll give you in the description of this video, so just look in the description of this video and you'll have, and then I'll make episodes about all those components, and then I'll be making either a live or in parts how I'm installing those components, okay? How I'm testing, yes, and so on. So here is for someone who knows how to deal with electronics, it's fine, they will be fine. But keep in mind, this pure sine inverter is taking 20 watts in the idle, okay? You can look at Great Scott's YouTube, let's go, YouTube, Great Scott, okay? And on his YouTube channel, you can see that there is a video called EG002. Oh, okay. Inverter. Pure sine inverter. That's, I think, one of those videos will be, but I don't remember which one. One of those videos had a Chinese DIY pure sine invert. I think this one will be.
Previously.
Yeah, okay, he built this one, and then he said that, okay, where is the, come on. Okay, so yeah, that's, you see, that's the board. On EGP 1000, that's the, don't buy this one, don't buy. He explained why. He couldn't translate everything, he was struggling, okay? So don't do what he's done. We will do something something better, guys. Okay, I wanna see the first shot. Oh yeah, so that's the board I was talking about, EG002 or something, yes, which is in that inverter, or EGS002. So what it is this board is supporting all those overcurrent, overvoltage protections. Yes, it's a pulse width modulation driver board with a soft start for inverters, but it consumes unfortunately 20 watts. So we will build first what this guy created at Electronoobs, okay, and then once this one is working, I'll be speaking with guys who can design electronics, because I can't design electronics. Yes, I understand how things are working, but this will be first fixable open source pure sine inverter built including the enclosure, including everything, and always available spare components to it. Then we will make a series about diagnosis, how each components could fail potentially, how to diagnose these components without killing ourselves, yes. And then after that, what we can do is we will, let's say, try to overcome that issue of 20 watt standby consumption, because that's a bit ridiculous. 20 watts, it's a lot, yes. And the last thing what I want to do as well, or one of the last things what I want to do, is create ESP32 controller. So if somebody don't know, it's this one here with a camera on top, yes, because that's the module with a camera. That's called that's ESP32-W rover-dev, yes. So this module is Wi-Fi with built-in Wi-Fi. This can communicate with your web app, for instance, or your mobile app, yes. So we will be doing that as well, so that you will be able to control this inverter or read data from this inverter, switch on, switch off remotely through the app. So let's say if this won't consume the power, we will be able by ESP32 program it that if it's in the idle mode and you don't use the energy, it will cut off automatically. That's what I'm thinking of, yes. But again, I'm not a designer, so we will be talking to other people who are designers, yes, who are capable of greater things than I am, and these people will help us to improve this inverter at the end, yes. So that's the plan. Again, we will have single units of PCBs because JL PCB is producing them now. Once I will have it, I will sell a few of them. We will thank this Electronobs guy because he made it available for us. Yes, so I will financially will try to help him either through his Patreon or whatever they have over there on their channel. I think it's only single guy, but you know, I will try to thank as well. You know, even if we will send him, you know, few quid extra or something, that's still better than nothing. So appreciation. And then if I will be selling anything later on, I will be making sure he'll get a small commission as well, as long as I will be doing these projects of his. Yes, and then you don't have to print out PCBs, 5 or 10 of them, yes, and use only one, because that's a waste. Then you can order from me one for yourself, or 2 if you want. Yes. And then he was talking in that video as well, it's worth watching, by the way. He was talking about multiplying inverters, what I was talking about. So if it's 500 watts, let's say, why not make 1000 watts, okay? So that we will be looking into that one as well, but that's later on. I want to do those modular, as I said in one of the video, in the previous part 1 video, yes? And I don't know what else I can tell you, to be true. I wanted to show you what I've done, that I've ordered those PCBs. I've ordered some components as well, because I know I didn't have those shunt resistors over there, AliExpress. So I've ordered those as well. I didn't have coils, so I've ordered those coils, but I'll be ordering more, much more. I'm telling you, it's not the cheapest. I see now that I've ordered LMs 05, so for 5 volts, and LM 7815, because I didn't have those analog voltage stabilizers. Yes, I don't have them here. I've got them in some devices, used one, old ones, but I don't want to use for this inverter any used components if possible. Well, maybe actually some, yes, but like when it comes to the capacitors, electrolytic capacitors, I've got this thing that I want to order the new one. I want them to last for years, rather than worry me and running with a meter and checking capacitance because something is failing. So that's what it is. So yeah, so I've ordered a radiator. Okay, I'll share the screen with you. Yeah, okay, so this board I've showed you on one of the videos. This, so that's charging ports, that's not relevant. For those who are watching these videos, they know what it is. Now I've ordered this radiator. It's 150 on 60 on 25 aluminum. You see, it's not that cheap, it's 473. That's what I was saying. Yes, shunt resistor. It's special type of resistor. Yes, so 20 milliohms. Yes, here is. That's not relevant, that's for the battery packs. And then here you've got a filter choke, yes, and then LMs, 2 LMs. So you see, again, we're paying 273, but do you need, you know, like 2 of them? Maybe you need, but do you need 10 of them? No, you don't need. So again, if you will be ordering, why you need to pay for 10 of them? You know what I mean? It's like, it's not worth for you. And then if you're gonna go to eBay, buy only 2 of them, you'll pay those 290 something. So what I was thinking is I would meet in the middle somewhere, yes. And then if I'm gonna buy from AliExpress, I would create packs and put small profit on the pack, so that it will cover me shipping, it will cover me purchase, and it will give me small profit. And then from this profit we can just pay to the Electronobs for doing that project for us as well, open source. Yes, so that's it, guys. That's everything what I wanted to show you. Let's wait when those components will come, let's wait when those PCBs will come. We will make a video and we will create a list what else is missing, yes, based on what I have, and then I'll order the rest, and then we will assemble it, we will test it. Unfortunately, my oscilloscope is a really basic one, so I can't plug into 230 volts this oscilloscope because I would burn it, so I can't do that. And I don't have, unfortunately, those probes which allow you to plug into 230 volts, and I won't be buying for 200 or 300 pounds then for now. So I can't test it through the oscilloscope. I will look locally if somebody has it and if they could test it for me. If so, we could have knowledge based on facts, yes, When you will be watching that video, you will see, or when you will be watching Great Scott's video, you will know what I'm talking about. You shouldn't plug in oscilloscope straight to the 230 volts. That's what I'm saying. It's for you doing this project, what noobs have done, it's not that piece of cake for most of the people. That's why you've got two choices: either buying a cheap quality and not really robust. I've got customer who brought me in 5 or 6 inverters here, all of them faulty, one after another were dying. So either buying some cheap inverter which can die quickly, or making a DIY robust inverter, yes, and then we will improve it over the time, and then when something is failing, have a community which can help you with repairs of it, and so on. Yes, so I would say you've got two choices: either go cheapskate, or just buy something cheap in general, or do with us, unless you can afford dear inverter. But then do you need the whole community thing? Do you need the whole right to repair thing? Do you need savings on electricity? Like, we're doing something else, and we're looking mainly for 2 people who want to learn fixing stuff and who want to build for themselves. Yes, so we're doing for those things, for those people. Yes, and if that's something which you're after, we're here, and we will be doing it. I'm super excited because that's the first DIY project from scratch. Yes, and I want some people to get involved as well, to build it as well, and tell that they didn't get killed first foremost, because it's a huge responsibility, guys, on yourself if you want to do it. It's like really responsible, and if you are scared, you should be, literally, because we're talking high voltages here. So if you're not sure, don't do it. Find somebody who can help you, or build ready-made. Yes, don't buy any DIY kits which have like 230 volts or something. Don't buy and don't do anything which can harm you, because that will be your responsibility. I can't promise anything. Yes. Phew, that's it. Okay, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video, and let's wait when those components will come, and then we can start building it. Thank you. Bye bye.